Thanks for joining me in another video. Today I'm unboxing the Hot Wheels RC 1/10 scale Tesla Cybertruck, and it comes with a little extra surprise. Behind me you can see some of the other die-casts I own. If you haven't seen my entire die-cast collection, you should check out that video. Alright, let's get started. This is my tiny Cybertruck. Okay, let's open up the box with my handy dandy steak knife. Oops. Oh well. And of course we have another box. Need to get up for this one. Careful. Dun dun dun. Ooh. Now let's open up this one. Okay, this one just has a few tapes on it. Oh, cool. Well, I guess that ruins that surprise. Here's the Cyberquad. Okay, let's see what we got. Oops, I opened it the wrong way. I think it's like this. Ages 8 and up. It's a good thing I'm 8 and up. Whoa, this is, for some reason I was expecting a much smaller truck. I don't know scales. Okay, I need to flip the box again. Let's take a look at this. Compared to my Mini. Ooh. All right. Instructions here. We've got our, whoa, remote control that I need scissors for to get that out. Reveal. Ooh. Ooh. This is pretty cool. So light. Oh, look at that Cyberquad. This one's not a remote control though. Put that here. All right, do these doors open? No, they don't. All right, what kind of batteries do we need? Oh man, I'm gonna need some batteries. Let's take a closer look at this. Here we've got the trunk. Pretty simple. It is a simple design. Here's the bottom. Whoa, okay. Let's put some batteries in this and check it out. Okay, got some batteries. Put them in the controller. 2 AA in the controller. The Cybertruck doesn't need any batteries. It just has a USB cable inside where you can charge it. And something else that's cool, it has like a spring system for the tires. And when you turn it on, the lights turn on too. That's cool. This Cybertruck is a limited edition and it came out earlier in the year, so you can make a reservation, and they finally shipped it this month in September. It did cost $100 and it's very light and it's all made of plastic. Obviously it's a toy, but it's like, you know, kind of cheap. I was expecting a little bit more, I don't know, but it's still pretty fun. All right, let's go show Kaya. Kaya, check this out. All right, and that was the end of Kaya and the Cybertruck. Ready, set, go. Oh, let's launch. Ah! Nice. Oh man, I don't know how to steer this thing. Wait, I want to go back. Let's take this off-roading. Whoa. All right, the Cybertruck has its rocks it's going to deliver. Off-road. Look at it go. Cybertruck, look at it go. Why does it look so funny? Look at it go. Okay, let's see it go up a hill. Come on, Cybertruck, you can do it. Oh, it must just be the rear-wheel drive version. Oh, this does roll. Goodbye, Cybertruck. This was pretty fun. Thanks for spending time with me today. Make sure to subscribe for more EV content and follow me on social media at CallasEV and Kai's Tesla. Kai is my dog. And check out my website for more EV resources at CallasEV.com. That's all for now, and happy charging!